I think I messed up. You need to watch this if you care about your kidneys. Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of your spine, just below your rib cage. They play a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. Your kidneys are vital. They filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, which are then excreted as urine. They also help regulate blood pressure, produce hormones that affect the function of other organs, and maintain a balance of electrolytes and other substances in your body. They filter your blood and keep your body balanced. However, certain daily habits can severely damage these essential organs, leading to chronic kidney disease or even kidney failure. But some daily habits can destroy them, fast. Let's dive into some of the worst habits that you need to stop immediately to protect your kidneys. First, drinking too much soda. This is one of the most common yet harmful habits. This sweet stuff is loaded with sugar, spiking your blood pressure and damaging your kidneys. High sugar intake can lead to obesity and diabetes, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. The phosphoric acid in soda can also lead to kidney stones. Next, too much salt. Salt is another silent killer when it comes to kidney health. It increases blood pressure, making your kidneys work overtime. High sodium levels can cause your kidneys to retain water, which increases blood pressure and puts a strain on your kidneys. Over time, this can lead to kidney damage. Cut down on that salty snack. Opt for healthier alternatives like fruits and vegetables, which are naturally low in sodium. Third, holding in your pee. This might seem harmless, but it's actually very dangerous. Ignoring the urge can cause kidney stones and infections. When you hold in your urine, it can lead to a buildup of bacteria, which can cause urinary tract infections that can spread to the kidneys. Over time, this can lead to kidney damage. Always listen to your body. When you feel the urge to go, don't delay. Fourth, overusing painkillers. Many people rely on over-the-counter painkillers for relief from headaches, muscle aches, and other pains. Regular use of NSAIDs can harm your kidneys. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs like ibuprofen and naproxen, can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, causing damage over time. This is especially true if you already have reduced kidney function. Look for alternatives or consult a doctor. There are many other ways to manage pain, such as physical therapy, acupuncture, or using heating pads. Lastly, dehydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Not drinking enough water concentrates your urine, which can lead to kidney damage. When your urine is too concentrated, it can form crystals that can develop into kidney stones. Chronic dehydration can also lead to kidney failure. Drink up, folks. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Remember, your kidneys deserve love and care. By making small changes to your daily habits, you can protect your kidneys and ensure they function properly for years to come. Make these changes today to protect them. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and avoid harmful substances like tobacco and excessive alcohol. Your future self will thank you. Taking care of your kidneys now will pay off in the long run, helping you avoid serious health issues and enjoy a better quality of life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Stay tuned for more health tips and advice on how to live your best life. Welcome back. In this chapter, we will discuss the importance of staying hydrated and how it impacts kidney health. Hydration is a key factor in maintaining kidney function. When you drink enough water, it helps your kidneys remove waste and toxins from your blood, preventing the formation of kidney stones and other complications. But not all beverages are created equal. Let's break down the best and worst drinks for your kidneys. First up, water. Water is your kidney's best friend. It flushes out toxins and keeps your kidneys functioning optimally. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. If you're physically active or live in a hot climate, you may need even more. Next, herbal teas. Herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, and ginger tea are excellent choices. They not only hydrate you but also offer additional health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and improving digestion. On the other hand, sugary drinks like soda and energy drinks are a big no-no. These beverages are loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients that can harm your kidneys. High sugar intake can lead to obesity and diabetes, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Another beverage to be cautious about is coffee. While a moderate amount of coffee can be part of a healthy diet, excessive consumption can lead to dehydration and increased blood pressure, putting strain on your kidneys. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 cups a day. Alcohol is another drink to be mindful of. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to dehydration and increase your risk of kidney disease. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. Lastly, avoid high-sodium drinks like certain sports drinks and canned soups. These can cause your body to retain water and increase blood pressure, putting extra strain on your kidneys. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Choose your beverages wisely and keep those kidneys happy and healthy. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Stay tuned for more health advice on how to live your best life. Welcome back. In this chapter, we will explore the role of diet in maintaining kidney health. Just like with beverages, the foods you eat can have a significant impact on your kidneys. Let's dive into the foods that support kidney function and those that can be harmful. First up, fruits and vegetables. These are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep your kidneys in top shape. Foods like berries, apples, and leafy greens are particularly beneficial. They are high in fiber and low in potassium, making them excellent choices for kidney health. Next, lean proteins. Opt for sources like fish, chicken, and plant-based proteins such as beans and lentils. These provide the necessary nutrients without overloading your kidneys with excess waste to filter. Remember, moderation is key. Whole grains are another great addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are high in fiber and help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of kidney damage. On the flip side, let's talk about foods to avoid. High-sodium foods are a major culprit in kidney damage. Foods like processed meats, canned soups, and fast food are loaded with salt, which can cause your body to retain water and increase blood pressure. This puts extra strain on your kidneys. Another group to be cautious with is high-phosphorus foods. Dairy products, nuts, and certain seeds can be high in phosphorus, which can build up in your blood if your kidneys are not functioning properly. This can lead to bone and heart problems. Lastly, limit your intake of red meat and fried foods. These can be high in unhealthy fats and cholesterol, which can contribute to kidney disease and other health issues. By making mindful food choices, you can support your kidneys and overall health. Remember, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can go a long way in maintaining kidney function. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay tuned for more advice on living your best life. Welcome back. In this chapter, we will discuss the impact of lifestyle choices such as smoking, alcohol consumption, and lack of exercise on kidney health. First, let's talk about smoking. Smoking is one of the worst habits for your kidneys. It damages blood vessels, reduces blood flow to the kidneys, and can accelerate the progression of kidney disease. If you're a smoker, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your kidney health. Seek support from friends, family, or professional services to help you on this journey. Next up, alcohol consumption. While moderate alcohol consumption might be safe for some people, excessive drinking can be harmful to your kidneys. Alcohol is a toxin that your kidneys must filter out of your blood. Over time, heavy drinking can lead to kidney damage and increase the risk of high blood pressure, which is a leading cause of kidney disease. Aim to drink in moderation or consider reducing your alcohol intake altogether. Now let's address the lack of exercise. Physical inactivity can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which are risk factors for kidney disease. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, improves blood circulation, and reduces the strain on your kidneys. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as walking, swimming, or cycling most days of the week. Here are some tips to make healthier lifestyle choices. 1. Quit smoking. Seek support from smoking cessation programs and use nicotine replacement therapies if needed. 1. Limit alcohol intake. Stick to the recommended guidelines of no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. 1. Stay active. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and can stick with long-term. Even small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator can make a difference. By making these healthier lifestyle choices, you can significantly improve your kidney health and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay tuned for more advice on living your best life.